Although my plan for the 2022 season is basically set, I do have a couple products that I want to try out this year. And some of those products come from a company called Ecologel. Now, if that doesn't ring a bell to you, this will. Ecologel produces Hydrotane. Hydrotane is actually labeled to reduce your watering by up to 50% if you're using it correctly. Now, I did learn something from Rick, who is the company's owner. He advised me that Hydrotane is good for the entire season, not just the hot months. So I plan to incorporate it into my whole season this year and put it down every 2.5 months. Now, it's supposed to last you up to 90 days, but I'm going to drop it every 2.5 months. Now, another product that I plan to try from Ecologel is called NaX. It's a salt flush, and it's a soluble calcium solution that helps reduce sodium levels in the soil. Now, you may be asking, why would you need this or when would you need this? It's when you would have high salt content in your soil, and I know I likely do because of this horrible winter season that we just had. I was using lots of salt that probably got into the soil, so the NaX should help. The final product that I'm going to try from Ecologel is called BloomPlex. It's an 8-16-5 analysis. It's a fertilizer, and I plan to use it in my flower bed with my shrubs. I had some issues last year, and I think that this is going to help me have a better looking flower bed this year. I do believe I have some phosphorus deficiencies in that area, and this product should help me with that. I really appreciate how Ecologel took the time to talk to me about their products and make suggestions based on the feedback I gave them and what they thought would be beneficial for me and my lawn. So I'm going to pay it forward. I'm going to record my results and I'm going to share it with the community, and maybe one of these products will be beneficial to you in your lawn.